My job today is to tell Darren about my job, which is very difficult, but I suppose in the macro sense, politicians are all about, or should be all about, the march of progress.
One of the things Science and Technology Australia tries to do is to build that interface between politicians and scientists, because we're both interested in progress, right? And that's what science is all about.
Indeed.
Maybe you could give us a bit more of an understanding of what that means on a day-to-day basis. So what do you do in this building where we see everyone rushing around all the time?
Well, sometimes, sometimes this building, I guess, it has very frustrating moments when you feel like you're doing a bit of wheel spin, and then there are moments of great breakthrough, I think. Microsense is the Labor Party's assistant minister, shadow assistant minister. My job is to help Kim Carr in formulating policy, and particularly in science, we're seeing a renewed effort.
All right, Nick, I'm going to try and tell you what I do as a scientist.
Okay, Darren.
So I'm a molecular biologist, and I spend my days trying to understand what goes wrong in cells in things like cancer and motor neuron disease.
Okay.
And by understanding what goes wrong, we can understand what causes the disease.
Yep.
And it can also tell us how to design new therapies.
So that the body then responds in the right way to cancer rather than the wrong way.
Yeah.
And cancers shrink rather than grow.
That's exactly right. Most of my job as a lab head
Yep.
is talking to all the researchers that work in my lab.
About what they're doing.
Yeah. So reviewing their experiments, helping them understand what the data means, helping them design the next lot of experiments, and then
Okay.
talking to our collaborators all over the place about what they're finding and how it fits into the sort of big jigsaw that we're all sort of working towards.
Do you get carried away with your work if you're in the lab?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do people lose track of time?
Absolutely. It's kind of all-encompassing. It kind of overcomes you at times. I think that's probably something politicians and scientists have a lot in common. It's the number of hours we have to put into our jobs.
We've all got division bells in this building, so that distracts the concentration. You end up a bit like Pavlov's dog, I think.